Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Sham who loved to play all day and avoided the chores. One day, he met an old man who was busy planting seeds in this garden. Curious, Sham asked, "Why are you working so hard?" The old man smiled and said, "Time is like a river. It flows away and never returns. Every moment you waste is like a seeds that will never grow." Sham thought about it and realized she had behind wasting this previous time. He delighted to make each day count, balancing this fun with his responsibility. Years later, Sham became successful and happy, always grateful for the lesson he learned. He understood that time, once lost, could never be regained, and that each moment was a gift to be cherished. The moral of the story is time is created thing. To say I don't have time is to say I don't want to. Thank you.